Hey, keep your hands up.
73.
Come on, man. Come on, man. This ain't worth it. Just let her go, man. This ain't worth it, man. This ain't worth it, bro. Come on. Come on, man.
Back up now.
Come on.
Back up now. Now.
Come on, man.
Back up.
This shit is not worth it.
Go over here. Over here. To the left. To the right.
Come on, bro.
Keep the corner.
Relax. Come on.
Copy 20. Let's go.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Stand by.
Hey.
Push yourself. You got the perimeter.
Hey, one thing up. Let him go. You're going to get shot.
Moving west. Moving west.
Let him go.
Let's go.
Get on ground.
Get
Get
on
on ground.
goddamn
Get
ground.
on ground. Put your hand back. I got one on the ground here.
Move.
They're running down Reed with an AK. They got an AK. They're running down Reed.
I got it. You gotta hold this house still.
There's two on Reed.
Ran that way with an AK.
You okay?
Head over to the next street over.
Hey, anybody else in the house?
Hands together like you pray. Hands together like you pray.
Was any more guys in that house? How many were in there?
He's holding gun. There, Georgia, Clement. He's coming right towards you. He's right in the middle of that block. I haven't seen him cross Neville yet.
You gotta help me up.
He should be between Neville and Georgia. He's all going towards Clement and Georgia in the middle of the block.
Against the car. You got anything in your pockets?
No. Yeah.
What you got on you?
Last seen on front of the backyard between Neville and see what that cross street's up there.
Two ran that way with an AK.
You okay?
Head over to the next street over.
Hey, anybody else in the house?
They ran down the street. One's got an AK.
Two cocktails on block. C-mask on there. Holding guns. One had a long gun. Going north south. Last gun ready. Fire at the door. We're running the backyard to 47. Last scene. And they went in
Dog
on
in the way.
11, Georgia.
Move.
North. Alright, let's set up a perimeter here, guys. Try to hold as best we can. Now let's hopefully get the tag with these here. Six and 16 are going to come in. Georgia coming. We might need to expand it a block or two, both north and west. Well, that sounds good. Everybody face each other. It's just a long guns out here. It's a tactical unit. Be careful around 1111 Georgia. That's where they went in and everything down there. 44 north side Deacon Hill. Keep their kids in the school. That's already done, sir. It's already done.
Are you hit? Are you hit? What happened?
We need to block traffic on these streets, and that's some tail cruisers. The hostage has been released. We do want some factory units in this area, though.
How old is he?
709 in Georgia.
Yes.
They're all out.
Okay, we've got a K9 here at the scene. Hey, what
How
we
old is
want to do is let's keep a couple cruisers just at least running the.
I'm fucked up.
15 services.
I'm fucked up, am I?
One box,
It's sad.
Like what?
Hey, I need a 32 over here for at 910 Ardella. We got a black male
Like 1 to 10.
bleeding from his face.
How
Need
bad
32
is
as
it?
fast as
1 to
possible.
10. Your face is all
10?
like.
It's a 10.
Ralph, just stop.
Copy, I'm on scene.
What?
He knocked my fucking tooth out.
Did you guys get him?
Got one of them. They're chasing the other two down now.
It was
I
like
have a big ass lump on the back of my head. Did you even recognize any of them?
He's on scene right
I
now.
only seen one, to be honest. Like,
Do you live here?
yeah.
And they just come in your house?
Oh, we was going out to the car.
We were about to leave and they just pulled
Yeah, the
guns
one
on
that he
us.
ran up, it is in a silver Kia, like SUV, like,
1111 Georgia.
and he had the gun out, you feel me? He was, I was like, you feel me? No. We were in the middle of the street, it was out. Then the man, I was,
We're going to have to get a house search once we get some.
I'm feeling it now.
Hey, what's your name, sir? Tell them to come on Reed and Ardella. Tell them to avoid Georgia. Avoid Georgia. Come all the way down to Reed and Ardella.
Okay, the patient's dead. Reed and Ardella.
Copy.
You got to track your phone. My on. Look, go track your phone. If they took it, it's on. Bro, I can't feel my fucking face.
Can you walk at all?
Yeah, if you help me up, I can. Like, drag on my arm. Oh,
Here, I got you.
hold on. I don't want you to get my blood.
That's the least of our worries right now, man. Come on. We're going to just get you over here to this cruiser. You want to sit down in the cruiser, or you want to just? I can sit you in the back in the trunk area, so you can lean against something. No, it's this gentleman right here. No, he's not been shot. Yeah, you got to go back that way.
Who shot me? Y'all didn't shoot?
No. Here, you can pop a SWAT right here if you want. I got one over here in the car. No, you got to go back the other way. Say what now?
Tell my girl to come here. Tell my girl to come here.
I got you. Where did she? Right in car one. Hey, ma'am. You got to go back. We got to go back. We got to go back. It's in my truck. Hey, ma'am, come over here. Come over here.
They mean Neville. They're all over on Neville. This is 1111 Georgia. No one's over here. They're next street over.
They're in the house or they're hunkered down?
They're hunkered down in here somewhere.
K9 working, head out that way. He's on scene right now.
There's a shed back there, though.
In this house?
I'm at that one right now.
He said 11:11. Right. Yeah. I don't know if you want that side or this side. Yeah, he was going north.
Yeah, he was heading that way.
Cap, what side of the road was he last seen on Georgia? North or south? He ran into the backyard, that driveway at 11:11, which I believe is the north side. Two of them, the one with the hostage holder and another one with the pistol.
You want me to sit behind this garage first?
If you want to try and pick him up, we'll cover this.
Okay.
Now.
What you want? Want me to come with you?
I don't think they can get. Yeah, you guys want to have a smoke with me? Do we want to,
Did you see someone run behind your house with guns?
I didn't see anything. I saw a flash go past my window a little bit before I saw you guys.
Do you have cameras in the back?
What's
Do
that?
you have a camera in the back?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, just stay inside.
If I look in that yard in back of my yard on the other side of the fence, that might be a place to look.
The other side of your fence?
Yeah,
What's the address?
I don't know what that is, but there's
that
a
way
bunch
is
of
17.
junk back
He wants this.
Oh, that's
Okay.
12.
on the other
Okay.
side of the fence. Yeah.
Okay.
There's a place behind that garage on that side. too.
Okay.
It's got a little slot too.
Okay. Is there a way to get into your garage?
No,
Okay.
that door don't open.
Okay.
Here, guys. Get on. This way. Here. Just. Here. Get on. Check. Nice. Okay, here. Fuss. Just fuss. Fuss. Let's
Here.
we'll go check.
73, what's your 31?
He checked behind.
He checked behind me.
Somebody look up priors that's in the call for 1111 Georgia.
101.
Hey, it's definitely there.
All right, hold that. Don't move now! Hands up! Hands up! Get out. Driver, get out. Get out.
Right here! You got someone in the back! Watch the back!
Watch the back! Don't move! Don't move! One in the back! Here.
Don't you move your hands! Don't move your hands!
Stop clicking your arm.
Give me your other hand right now, mother. Yeah, dude. God. He jacked her.
Yeah.
Where did they go?
He jacked her.
When?
Just right now. I pulled that gun out. He jacked her. She pulled in. They jacked her.
There's two. Got two.
I saw her pull in.
Is there,
They jacked her.
anybody else out? These are the two. That's it.
Yeah.
Where did they come from?
This 1101. She pulled in the driveway. They jacked her, and she tried to pull out. Huh?
Housekeeping 1101. They got it.
They jacked this victim.
Let's separate.
This lady, yeah, this lady's separate.
Is there a plate on it?
Good search.
Hey, I pulled that out. Let's just leave that there.
Sit up.
Female. I don't know.
Stand up.
Maybe.
Now she be on
Got a cell phone.
They ran over there. They pulled in the driveway. They carjacked them. Whoa.
There's another pistol right there too.
All right, we need a wagon for him or a cruiser for him.
Walk over here.
You go jump 5. Car 15, go 5.
Hold on, dude.
What car's over there?
You got 6.
2 dogs. Who's in 21?
Fuck more than 21.
I see the police car in the back. I thought,
Spread your legs out there, guys. It's 2 seconds from getting popped in the hell. I'm tight there right now. Oh, shoot. 2 seconds. I looked right eye. Got anything else in there? Shoe off on there. All right, pop in there.
So you got 3?
There's 3. Should be 3, but I think they got the one already.
Yeah, somebody's saying they had the other one.
These two are the one I was chasing over here.
So there's an apprehension, 2 victims and 3 suspects.
Yeah. There was a victim that was beat up or something.
The apprehensions, you know where that cruiser is straight through?
Where they at? Right down here?
They were 2 streets over. But they were running this way, so when we saw you outside, we didn't know if
Oh, see them in the backyard.
yeah, you can see it.
Oh, Lord.
So we didn't know if they had you.
And my dog didn't bark.
That's all we were worried about.
Gotta get a new dog, then.
Yes.
You gotta get a new
No,
dog.
she ain't gonna bark at the police.
I'm saying,
The people.
in the backyard.
Yeah. Well, they
Oh,
were,
she
yeah.
ain't gonna bark at the police though. She not. She's a good dog, y'all. We from Alabama. I'm telling you, she's a good dog. She shake your hand.
She looks
Look,
good.
Look, if you fall, she'll help you up. Hey, every kid on this neighborhood, they come, they ask for holidays.
Yeah.
For real, baby, she's real good. This is how you raise them. And
Right.
that's how these kids been raised.
Got to myself.
These kids ain't been raised right.
That's true.
For real.
You're right about that.
I mean, I didn't even go out the house. My parents, live here. I've been in Alabama for 15 years. And I used to do all kind of trouble. You can look at my background. But today, 20 years, I've been away righteously. Dang.
Yeah.
If the kids home down there, my little nephew's in probably scared. It ain't 2:30 yet, is it?
It's 4 minutes till 2:30.
Oh, the kids, great. All the kids coming home.
So, yep.
They're probably not coming home for a little bit until we clear all this up.
Yeah, they got to make sure they got everybody, and then they'll open it up.
Another 32 for officer with an arm injury.
I know my neighbor, like, I hear him see something on my cameras. He at work up here
Oh.
on Thursday.
So that's all that was going on. Now they're just checking to make sure they didn't throw anything in your backyard.
Raise y'all.
We have
Get
them
they
again
ass.
en route to Ardella in Georgia. You just need
Dang.
1 or 2.
I'm a nosy neighbor, sorry.
Hey, this is your neighborhood. You should
But
be.
look, next time I ain't running to look for no trouble. That's coming in.
That's right.
All right, once you see them.
All right, you have a good day.
Did you get him, boss?
Yeah. Hey, look, you know what? You trying to pull away.
I heard you guys yelling.
73.
I never got my
Do you need the channel held for anything?
Oh, so you don't get the watch?
Negative. I think we can open up the channel. Great job, everybody. Fantastic.
So, did you see them drive by?
No, I heard you say it. Yeah, she was pointing at you.
So, he's got his hand out the window and he's going like this, like pointing to his house.
Yeah.
No, he's pointing in the back seat. So one was all the way in the back, and then, so the one when they pulled out of the back seat, they tried to take off. Shape, I landed on Domer's arm.
Did they come in your house and then make you guys, like they barged in, like in the side door? Or, that's what I thought. The stuff is, just so I can show crime scene when they get here. I noticed a few things that probably are off, but we'll get you in here though.
I'll put this with the rest of your property outside the door here. You'll be back, okay?
Yeah, you want to slide your shoes on before we go? Or
Yeah, he can take everything. Yeah. Other than, I don't know if you want that bird freaking killed.
you want to slide these on before we go?
I wouldn't put that on.
I'll let you do it. I'll let you do it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take that off you. When we take it off you, stand up, face that corner. Just put your hands behind your back. All right.
Bring this hand, relax it for a second.
Go ahead, Evan. Go ahead. Everybody from the down, a line. Nothing else.
Yeah, I got you.
15,
You'll lock them for me so they don't get no tight. This left one's kind of tight. I appreciate it.
What's your name, man?
Ricky.
Ricky.
You better? Mm-hmm.
I guess they're gonna put him on the gurney, so you guys can handcuff him to the gurney and AMR and transport him down.
Okay.
So,
You can go that one too a little bit. Just a little bit.
whenever he wants to ride in the med wagon with them, and then shouldn't take long. Oops. Oh, okay, that's fine. Whatever you guys. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can get no issue. I'm just trying to get to the hospital, get to the
That's where he got bit. So get the other arm. That's where he got bit.
I got you good.
Yeah, just.
Over here, have a seat. You're gonna scoot all the way back there. Yep. Just like that.
Cover me.
Yeah, we can.
Take a look. Okay.
You locked them, right? Yep. I appreciate it. I just want to get on to the jail.
You guys coming down the general or?
Yeah, we're right next to you.
Okay.
Say goodnight, guys.
Thanks, sir.
Set that up all the way.
No, it's just because it's tight fit in the elevator.
Stay with them.
I don't know if they're all the same size or not.
They are.
Well, you think around the back when I do the prisoner one there? Is that bigger?
I don't think it's much bigger.
Alright, we'll make it work.
What are they talking?
I don't know. We're just here to take you to the hospital.
Oh, I'll take it. Alright. Kind of tight fit. Watch those feet. There you go.
I'll catch you next one.
Dispatch, that's to be in service with code 1. Are we up for any runs or do they need help on?
Nice. That's cool.
No, we're all the same spot.
Hey, hey. Good. While you're here, am I able to get another one of these from you?
Yeah.
Okay, because this is, like, I don't know if I'm
Because
catching
you
all
run it
my
through
radio.
your outer carrier.
I just run it around back, but yeah, that's exactly it. So I'll stop up next week.
Okay. All right. Good. Going to the hospital with you guys. All right. You be safe out there.
Yes, ma'am. We're in 12 tonight, so we'll drive by. Yep.
No, we're good. Rain should be here early in the morning.
Okay. I mean, I'm not here till 2:30, so.
Oh, okay. So and I don't like it because you guys aren't in the building.
Yeah, I know. I'll stop up whenever I get a chance.
Okay.
Sometime.
Somebody
He got bit by Justice.
No.
Yeah, he got bit by Edsel. Dog.
Somebody don't want to go. You should stop.
He's going. He's going. We're making sure that happens. So. All right, up the stairs. Watch all the stuff here. Go to the right. Yeah. We're gonna go through these double doors.
My bad, man.
To the right. We're gonna take this elevator up. Alright. Right here, right here. Right here. I'm gonna take this one up. Down to the right. No. Make a right. Pull back. Make a left.
You should know where we're at now.
Thank you.
We could go ahead and take your shoes back off now.
Let me talk to the detectives and
Car 3. Green. Elon. Go ahead. The reference is Hilton. Call for the 43. If you come down to City Hospital, check on the female.
Just turn this way a little bit for me.
Copy. Still 206.
Everybody still waiting on the
So,
tape?
yes, sir.
Yeah, I guess so.
It's cool.
How's it?
And just one click loose.
What
So
does
this
it?
one better turn it where it ain't on my wrist.
Alright.
That's too much. You ain't gotta worry about it.
There you go.
That's cool.
That's better.
You got the show in the roast, man.
Alright, man.
Alright. Take care, man.
Yes, sir.